In this video, we begin our learning journey on the beach for a nice change of scenery. We define the broad skills of a web designer and compare and contrast them with the skills required of Drupal themers. Let's begin with a broad definition of a role you have likely heard of. A web designer's job description involves a mixture of aesthetic and technical skills. They use their creative talents and programming skills to design, build, and improve websites. They understand user experience and are able to build websites that are easy to understand, navigate, and web designers adhere to design standards and specifications. Web designers are often known as front-end developers. Drupal themers are front-end developers that use their knowledge of Drupal to bridge the gap between visual design goals and the logical layer of programming. Unlike other systems, a blank theme in Drupal will still render a minimum amount of markup and CSS to give some basic structure to your website. Much of the job of a Drupal front-end developer and designer is to override the basic and default output of Drupal. From a technical point of view, a theme is made up of a collection of text files written in Twig markup, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and occasionally PHP code. Themes usually contain images as well. Currently, there are hundreds of contributed themes freely available for Drupal. Drupal's contributed themes can be downloaded into a themes directory and enabled via the Appearance Administration page. This means that with a few small steps, you can add a new theme and completely transform the look of your site without touching site content or functionality. In summary, we have understood the broad skills required of web designers and how they compare with the skills required of Drupal themers. Drupal themers are front-end developers which use their knowledge of Drupal to bridge the gap between visual design goals and the logical layer of programming. We have also learned that Drupal themes are made up of Twig markup, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and occasionally PHP code. Coming up, we'll learn more about the essentials of Drupal themes, and we'll understand how Drupal themes work before we begin to build our own theme. See you soon, and happy learning.